Okay, ready?
Yeah, you can see her hair.
All right, what are we drawing today?
We are drawing a girl in a sweatshirt.
It's called a hoodie.
Hoodie.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's get our Sharpies going. Step 1.
We did have some technical difficulties.
Yeah. Step 1, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, line right about here. We're gonna make the eyes first. Don't worry too much, just make a line. Another line.
Ugh.
Perfect.
No, it's like fading.
Okay, line for the nose. Okay, now take this line, curve it up like that. Make a little eyebrow. Okay, now this is the hair. Ready? The hair is gonna be, do one of those. Okay. And then we have kind of like another hair. Yep. Okay, we're gonna do a couple little dots for the eyeballs. Another eyebrow. Little edge of the nose. Okay, here's the mouth. Little V. Okay, now and then this is the part we're going to do the neck and the hoodie. Okay? 2 lines for the neck. A line out like this. A line over like a part of a triangle. A line like that. Perfect. Now this is like the edges of the hoodie. And then this is across the strings of the hoodie. The arms. That's okay that you ran out of room, that's okay. And then one in like this. And then that kind of, that makes sense? All right, now we got to do a couple more things. Little line here. And then I'm going to add couple more hair if you want to. Okay. And then we're gonna do a little bit of shading with a gray marker.
And if you want, you can color.
All right, so the gray marker, you just are gonna touch up certain areas. Here's your gray marker, like right under the eyes. Is that marker? Yeah. Right under the nose. Along the edge of this black line. Yeah, like touching it. Under the mouth.
Oh, touching.
All right. Under the mouth. And then you can do also in the edges of the hoodie. Yep. And then you also can, if you want to have like a little shadow like around the hairs, you can do that if you want. Just go over them sort of. And sometimes I do one up here by the hairline. So how do you like your hoodie, girl? Do you feel good about it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, but we
Do you think you'll be
added,
good the next time? That you'll do better?
Yeah. You could also add a little color.